It's on the
Just
side.
cut.
I have waited long enough.
We're not supposed to.
I'll wait to flip
has
it
been
open,
cut.
but I'm cutting the tape.
Okay, let me pretend then, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna pretend.
You
I
can
cut.
pretend.
Mayhem. One person started the mayhem. Look at this. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Yay, everybody.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, anticipation.
Yes.
I am so ready.
Have my scissors ready.
Hello, planner friends. This is Tanya, the butterfly teacher, and I am so excited about this video. I promise you have probably never seen an unboxing video like the one you're about to watch. I got together with some of my planner friends, and we all decided to unbox our new 2022-2023 Erin Condren life planners and accessories together over Zoom. We had a blast, and we were very honest about our initial reaction on each of the products. So I just wanted to share with you how much fun we had and the realness of just being planner friends and all of our goodies. So enjoy.
Hey everyone, my name is Leah. I am from Leah Marie Plans, and you can find me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Hi, my name is Monica. You can find me at M. Sean Plans on Instagram and YouTube.
Hi, I'm Victoria, and you can find me on Instagram and YouTube at Victoria's Plans, and then over on Facebook with Erin Condren Enthusiast by Victoria.
Hi, I'm Becky from Saul's Mom Plans, and you can find me on Instagram and YouTube under Saul's Mom Plans, and also Facebook page.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tanya. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at Tanya, the Butterfly Teacher.
Hi friends, I'm Sabrina. You can find me on Instagram at SabrinaRX or at SabrinaRX.com.
Hey everyone, I am Taylor from Pretty Paper Pieces for You. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
Hi everybody, I'm Carol. I'm at mom.plans, and you can find me on Instagram.
Hi everyone, I'm Claudia Dulce. You can find me at I am Claudia Dulce, and as well on YouTube as Claudia Dulce.
Hey everybody, my name is Tamara, and I'm the Paper and Pen Girl. You can find me on YouTube as well as on Instagram using the Paper and Pen Girl.
Hi everyone, I'm Vicky, and you can find me on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook as Planners, Travels, and Dreams.
Together. So 1,
Okay.
2, are we opening?
Don't forget to hide your address.
Yes.
Oh,
please.
no. Hide your address.
Wow!
Oh, okay, I don't see anything.
Got
I'm
my
enjoying the
whiz!
taste in here.
Got my whiz!
Ready?
Oh my
Oh my God!
Oh my
Look at this.
goodness.
Why does it feel like Christmas?
This is
Wow.
so pretty.
Wow! There's more!
Oh, look at
It's
you guys.
awesome.
Oh,
wow.
on the gift. Oh, this is
Oh my
God.
I love that.
It's in leather. Wait,
Look at how beautiful this is.
Oh my gosh.
My gosh,
Do we show?
Sabrina!
Oh,
guys!
I was waiting for this one.
Look at this.
Tanya,
Yeah, I got an agenda.
You are
Oh!
That is Victoria.
There's so much
let's
stuff
go
in
There
here.
is so much in here, y'all.
They
There's
knew.
so much in
They
here.
critical
Oh,
contact. That's the new
Monica. I
planner.
love that.
I should have got a table.
Oh my gosh!
Victor, I love that.
Beautiful.
Lord, this is this soft?
Wow.
Did you guys get different covers?
Yes.
Yes.
No, I cannot believe all of
I
this.
got the banana leaves. That is so
Okay.
Look at these types.
And I've been wanting these pens.
Look.
At the front door.
The color blends.
There's a monthly petite, y'all.
Yes.
Monthly
petite.
Where?
Yes.
I am so excited for this.
Oh yeah.
Stickers.
Oh yeah, I got
Oh, the sticky notes.
The
Oh my God.
Again.
That's so pretty.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Another cover. Two extra covers.
Me and Maggie looks like we got the same one.
Yes.
Look at this one.
I know. Look at the quote.
Wait. What? Back. Let's back up. What are you
Hold on, wait a minute.
Two extra covers.
I'm dead.
We got
Oh my
coverage.
God.
Victoria, I'm upset. Not really.
Not really.
Oh.
No, it says become what you respect and mirror what you
I got
admire.
to see. Oh, color blends.
I was
And
not
I use
that
this all the
thing.
time.
The bag.
Taylor, what did you get? I didn't see.
Alright, I got
Look at this bag, y'all.
Oh,
Is
Oh.
the bag's gonna be a gift with purchase? Is it? Am
Yes,
I right
yes,
with
the
that?
gift with purchase. Yeah, the bag is gift
I
with purchase.
cannot wait. You get to choose. So
Okay, did anybody else
mine
get
is
an agenda?
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
Love that bag. That
Look
bag.
at this beautiful agenda.
Wait, so this
The
the
agenda
ruler with
is
the
gorgeous.
Isn't it
Oh,
so pretty?
beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, I'll be
Don't
honest
watch.
with you. I'm not usually a purpley person, but I love this color purple. It's so pretty.
Oh my
Very muted.
goodness, it is. You know what? And
It
this is
is.
not as big as I thought it was going to be because this is my
Oh,
first time
shoot.
having one.
Look
It
at
is.
all.
What style agendas did you all get?
Oh my goodness.
Did you get any of the accessories?
Look
I
at the
didn't
pen,
get a
guys.
strap.
Duo.
I didn't get a strap.
Oh.
Oh, you
I did
got
not.
both books.
Okay, so we have to build our list now.
This is so nice. I love this.
Did y'all see the Plenty Pack?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And the colors. I am so glad. Because y'all, I really think I'm gonna have to get.
there's more
This is
colors.
not the A5
Victoria?
vertical.
I have a question. Did anybody get the
Yeah, where is
I think
The
we have
A5
to
Did
vertical.
sticky notes
Yeah,
that
did
go
anyone
in the
get the
A5
A5 vertical?
agenda?
Yes, I did.
I did.
Did you
Yes.
notice that?
Guys,
I know
you won't believe it.
Did y'all see the A5 vertical? It is
No, I
not a
want to see
vertical.
the setup.
It is
Not
a
vertical?
combination of vertical
Oh, it's like a
and
dash.
horizontal.
Oh,
You
I
and
love
it has-
that.
But
Wait,
but-
what?
hold
Hold on,
on,
show me again.
Okay, this is
Again, the one that got the vertical.
This is the compact, the A5. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in one page with lines, and the other one, it's
And that's the vertical compact.
compact.
Yeah.
Well, that was what it's a combination of vertical and horizontal, I would say.
Wow.
So it
Not
has
the
the
Oh,
top.
that's different.
That's super
Okay.
cute.
why it's named
I kind of like that.
Yeah, but it will give me a good opportunity, a good excuse to buy my 7x9 vertical.
Oh my
Guys,
There you go.
did you
That's
notice
honestly
this?
not what I
You know?
expected.
In the Daily Duo, you have Sunday, and then you have a notes page.
What?
And then
So you can
you
use all your
flip to Monday.
Yes!
Yes.
you can
I am
use all
so
the
upset
gifts.
with my FedEx that I do not have my planner.
I'm sorry, Leah.
So you, Leah. Well, my expectations are always high because it's Erin Condren. I mean, it's always high. You know, they come out with good quality. The colors are always on point. You know, those were my expectations. Like last year they came out with 3 styles. I didn't expect 3 styles this year, but I love it. And when I got my box, my expectations were exceeded times 10. Because when I opened it and I saw the A5 agenda cover and how bright and beautiful it is, I was like, I was speechless. So that's it.
Okay, so this is my first life planner launch. I've used life planners before. Actually, quick background. My very first EC planner was a teacher lesson planner. And I used their teacher lesson planners for years before I got the first life planner. I am a colorful, bright person. So the mid-century design, I'm looking back because it's behind me. The mid-century design colorful was like my favorite. And then layers was my favorite.
Yeah.
And then Flora came out, and then that was my favorite. And to be honest, when I saw In Bloom, I was like, that ain't Flora. I compared it to Flora. So I was hard on the blooms, and that's why I picked this Harmony. And honestly, the description made me emotional. I started tearing up when I read the description because of the philosophy of why they created this design. Thinking about the last 2 years of my life and all of these different things that seem disconnected, and the way they described how it's all actually connected, it made me emotional. So I thought, okay, that's what I'm getting. But here, let me show you this. A while back, they came out with the Color Blends desk collection.
Yes.
I fell so hard in love with this color blend. As you can see, I have pieces of it all around me. And so that's why I picked the Harmony and Color Blends together. I actually picked the design rather than the type of planner, which is why I chose this. And seeing them together like this, like to me, the Color Blends with the Harmony, it's like they go together. So beautiful.
Yes, they do.
Yes.
This is overwhelming in a good way.
Yeah.
This is very exciting. But I'm also a functional planner girl. I'm a functional person. So yeah, it's pretty, but is this going to actually help in my life? That's why I'm opening stuff and adding it in. I've already written with the pen. It writes beautifully. I'm putting my sticky notes in to see, like, maybe this will become my favorite. Maybe this little dashboard.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm a functional planner girl. So I can't pick a favorite yet. I can't pick a favorite yet.
Yeah.
We'll do
That's a good problem to have.
So this is my first life planner launch. Like, I am so excited. I did have the opportunity to do the teacher life planner, or teacher lesson planner launch. 100% met my expectations. 1,000%. This box is absolutely amazing. I cry looking at my planners. I don't know about you guys, but like sometimes it brings tears to my eyes. Like, I'm just so overjoyed by like paper and pens. Like, I know you guys understand me. I know you feel me. Like, I just look at the boxes and I'm like, I love you. And they're like, what are you? It's a box. I'm like, I don't care. I love you. Like, I feel that like it's a passion, and that's how I'll explain it.
True.
I can't pick a favorite. I do love the Daily Duo, and these colors are absolutely beautiful. So I guess I could say the Daily Duo, but everything in here just like top notch. They always hit it out of the park. So grateful.
Awesome. Good. Yes.
Plus, I love colorful.
That's what I have is a Daily Duo, and I love it. Well, now I have both. Look, I call them Mama Duo and Baby Duo. I have both of them now, and I switch up in between. I'm like, sometimes my life is busier, so I need more space. When I don't need the extra space, I just downgrade to the Baby Duo. Come on now. That's how we do these things in these here planet streets.
So, be honest with me in the comments below. Have you ever seen an unboxing like that? Each of these amazing ladies has either a YouTube channel or Instagram account, Facebook account, where they also go into more detail about their new planners and the accessories. So please go check them out. I promise you will not be disappointed. I highly recommend all of their reviews and their opinions. These are honest women who have lots of experience with planners and who understand Erin Condren brand really well, so they're not going to steer you in the wrong direction. I hope that you enjoyed watching us squeal with delight and have a good time sharing our planners with you. I have other videos going into detail about these new planners as well. If you have not already started shopping for yours, I hope that our opinions and what we shared today was insightful and encouraging, helpful, and that you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, share it out with your planner friends, and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most out of all the different options that you saw from what my friends shared today. Thanks again for hanging out with me in this video, and I hope to catch you in the next one.
How many people have the EC scissors?
Come on now. Who doesn't have these?
Mine are at my desk. I don't have my box.
In your college life.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Guys, let's
Tanya,
start.
me and you only, I guess.
Let's start.